Alright, here we go. At the Greyhound. Waiting on my bus to Vegas. They say they don't have a driver for this bus to Vegas. That was about 30 minutes ago. I hope they found one by now, but as I'm sitting here, I'm looking around and I'm noticing, like, I've been driving the Greyhound since I was a teenager. And ever since I was a teenager, I've always been, like, disgusted by how dirty the Greyhounds were. But like 10, 12 years ago, they didn't have like Wi-Fi, reclining chairs, and things like that they promote nowadays. But they do now. And I was thinking, if I ran Greyhound, I think it would have been more beneficial to hire more people to clean these fucking stations, to clean the fucking buses, instead of spending all this money on Wi-Fi. How much you think they spend on Wi-Fi a year? How much you think they spent on these new buses with reclining chairs? I wish they would have spent that money on cleaning these motherfucking stations, especially with this COVID shit.